What's up guys, Ivan here. So this is the new GLE53 AMG, the new performance AMG model for the new GLE model. So at first, let's discuss the controversial topic about this car, and this is the Panamericana grille. So should it have the Panamericana grille or not? So my point of view is the GT 4-door also in 53 and also in 43 versions can have this radiator grille, 15 vertical bars or slots, Panamericana grille. So if you have a V8 optic pack, then we have also on GT 4-door this radiator grille. So why don't have it on this 53 GLE? So this is my view. So if AMG thinks this is a good idea, then why it shouldn't be a good idea? Because yeah, this is not like an AMG line, this is AMG car. But still, this car has an AMG line front bumper. So also 63 version and 63S version will have probably, I'm sure it will have different bumper, like in GT 4-door 63. So yeah, this is my look at this car. So this car is in selenite gray color, and as you can see it has a Turbo 4MATIC Plus badge on the side. And this car has Continental tires with AMG lightweight alloy wheels, AMG brakes, 285, 40, 22-inch tires, 22-inch rims, a Conti Sport Contact 5P tires, and AMG badge on the wheels. So let's take a closer look at the engine bay of this car. So this car has a new 6-cylinder engine, turbocharged engine with auxiliary compressor. So this engine generates 429 horsepower, delivers maximum torque of 384 pounds-feet of torque. So that was in American units. In European units it's 435 horsepower and 520 Newton meters of torque. And this car can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers or 62 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds and has an AMG Speedshift TCT 9G gearbox. This car is electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour or 155 miles per hour. So this 53 series engine is 3.0 liter inline 6 turbo engine, so 6 cylinders, and also this engine has EQ boost starter generator which delivers additional 16 kilowatts or 21 horsepower output and 250 Newton meters of torque, while also supplying the 48 volt onboard power supply. So let's take a closer look at the interior of this car. So this particular car has carbon decor Brewmaster sound system. It's pretty much loaded because it's a show car. As you can see, leather interior, very nice, Napa leather, and some bits of Dynamica like Alcantara. So let's close the door. As you can see, this car has a new layout of display, instrument cluster and multimedia display. Both are in 12.3 inches. And you can operate basically anything. You can change it in different styles and can see a lot of different stats like G-forces, temperature of the engine, and etc. And it comes in really nice design. You can operate this display with touchpad on the steering wheel, and with the right touchpad you can control the middle multimedia display. So it's really convenient and really easy to operate while also driving. So you can have also a like understated look like you can see here, or you can have a like a sporty look or the performance super sport look. So a lot of options, everybody can choose the layout which they like. So really my favorite is probably the super sport. So also you can see this beautiful AMG steering wheel with AMG logos and with these like hotkeys which you can change a lot of different things like exhaust and suspension and your mode. Also the lining is in Dynamica and also the sealing. Also the performance wheel has Dynamica parts in the middle, so if you have sweaty hands, it's easy to hold the steering wheel. So in AMG Dynamic Select you have a lot of modes like slippery mode, comfort, sport, sport plus, individual, trail and even sand. So any surface which you may have is easy to go in this car. Also this car has an AMG Active Ride control which is based on AMG, and thanks to 48 volt it can adapt and quickly change the suspension, and also it can tilt in the corner when you are driving. So it can also reduce rolling movement when cornering. So this car will sit in the corner like nothing else before. You have also a lot of options which you can adjust in the car. Also ambient lighting. So take a look at this purple sky. Beautiful line under the carbon decor, and in the middle you have also illuminated on the middle console. Very nice stitching with this lightning. Just beautiful. This console for AC unit. This is the same in the all modern Mercedes-Benz. Really nice clicky sound on the buttons. And this is dual zone thermatronic AC unit. So really this is up to par to other new Mercedes with MBUX. You can control it with voice, with the touchpad in the middle console, also with steering wheel, also with touch like with your finger. So this is just another level for this segment, and you won't find anything similar in this segment because this is the best what you can get right now. You can adjust touchpad sensitivity from fast to medium to slow. Also touch control sensitivity. I really like it on fast because it's really responsive that way. So you can set pretty much everything in this car. So you have also AMG performance, but you need to have ignition on this demo car. It wasn't available, but in the full review I will show you later how it looks. You have also track pace, so you can go on a track or record the drag race, telemetry. So really this is like an AMG in the family car. So this is just a great car for every purpose, for everyday driving. You can also hit like a mountain road or like a curvy road and drive really sporty. So really this is new navigation with live traffic. You can zoom in very easily. This is very responsive. Also live traffic can help you in the traffic jam. It can automatically reroute your route guidance, and that way you will avoid the traffic jam. You can also zoom out and see all the planet. So really this is like a fun feature. You can see the satellites and the moon. And if you zoom in and set the route guidance, if you're like in a big city, then you can see like a 3D modeling of all buildings which are near you. So really this is next level route guidance. I really think this is the best route guidance, and personally I haven't seen better route guidance navigation than this one. So really here you can set exhaust, suspensions, a level of the car, and other things like dynamic select, Parktronic automatic parking pilot, and hotkeys for car setting. On the top you have a setting for lights, and also Mercedes Me and SOS button, and button for the panoramic roof. Also cosmetic mirror for the passenger and light. Also double sun cover, really huge panoramic roof. So let's take a look at the interior from the passenger side. So you have a Burmester speaker, ventilated and heated seats, fully electric memory seats, AMG illuminated door trim. So really nice quilted AMG Sport comfort seats in Napa leather, and little AMG logo. So in the middle you have like a little roulette, and you can put inside 2 drink in the 2 cup holders, and you have also charging pad for a smartphone and USB-C port. So this is the new touchpad from A-Class and other new Mercedes. Really nice and easy and fast, responsive. You have also place to put your palm and then operate the touchpad, so it's really comfortable. I really like to use it. So these handles, they are really nice in person, I can tell you that. Really, you can hold it when you are driving in the terrain, in like off-road, and also passenger can hold it. So that's really great. In the middle tunnel, you have a storage space in the armrest with some USB-C ports. So let's take a look at the rear. So in the rear, this car has also really nice and automatic seats, electric seats, and you can also adjust them. So you have also third row in the car. So you have a 7-seater if you wish. So you can put there your little kids. If you have more kids in your family, this is a great car for you. So you have a lot of cars in one car. You have a sports car, you have SUV, and you have like a minivan, everything in one car. So many people can have only one car because they have only one parking space in their home or apartment. So this is a great car to have everything. Also, you can control other things like AC in the back. You have nice armrest in the middle of the rear seats with 2 cup holders hidden and like a storage space. So little storage space and also 2 cup holders. So really a lot of space in the back, I can tell you that. A lot of people are checking this car because this was one of the most wanted car on the display. Everybody wanted to see it, and it was very hard to get inside, but I managed to do that. So yeah, you have heated seats and also this Burmester sound speaker in the back, an air vent for AC or heating, really nice Dynamica, and little button for light and a large panoramic roof. So this will be really nice, and a lot of sun, a lot of light will go into the interior of the car. A lot of space, as you can see, like 30 centimeters or 20, so plenty space. So this is the third row, as you can see. Not much space, but this is more like for kids. So for kids it will be plenty of space. And if you put down the seats, then you have a massive boot space. Also under you have little storage for some bits and pieces. So really, what more do you need from a family SUV? So this will be plenty space for everyday things. So as you can see, everything is in line when the seats are lowered. So you can put long things there. So the boot lid is automatic, as you can see. And this car, you can see the back new tail lamps and 4 exhaust tips. And the diffuser. This car is in selenite gray metallic paint finish. I really like this LED design and GLE53 logo on the back, and also on the left side you can see AMG logo. So let me know if you like this design. Personally, I really like it. In person, looks much better than on the pictures. So yeah, I really like this when I saw it in person. So here you can see also exhaust tips. They are in the chrome finish on this car, and the diffuser in the lower part. So this car is filled with technology and with performance. So really this is like an ideal car for a family. So let's open the boot when the seats are up. So as you can see, this is a massive storage space. So the luggage capacity is huge in this car. It's 825 liters in 5-seat mode, as you can see now, and it's 125 liters bigger than the last generation of the car. Also in the 7-seat less, but yeah, for driving around city you can put some luggage even when the 7 seats are up, but in the 5 seats it's like 825 liters, really massive, huge, and really big. As you can see, you can put like everything there what you need. Also with these buttons you can lower the boot, and when you have like a heavy objects, then it's easier to put it in the car. So it will lower, as you can see now, it's lowering, and then it's easier to put things in the boot. And also this GLE can tow 2.7 tons of braked trailer, or a trailer which is not braked, 750 kilos. So if you add the towing package, the braked trailer towing limit is increased to 3.5 tons. So you can tow really another car with no problem. So yeah guys, that's it for this review. Let me know if you enjoyed it, if you learned something new about this car. Let me know if you like this video. If yes, then please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and of course guys, stay tuned for plenty more videos from Geneva Motor Show. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. So guys, I'll see you soon in the next video. Have a great day.